Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your money read. Today we'll check on for September for your prosperity, money, abundance and wealth. Let's see what message is in store for you for the month of September. And these are general collective readings. Capricorn will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their prosperity in the month of September. Thank you. All right, Capricorn, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, Capricorn, single, independent. My God, in the month of September, I see you by yourself accomplishing a lot of goals. I mean, the Nine of Pentacles is just one short pentacle to the Ten of Pentacles, right? So, you're going to be feeling very, very good, feeling very proud of yourself that, by myself, on my own, I am able to generate everything that I need to have a wonderful life. Let's take a put this card here, and I'm going to take an advice card as well from the universe. Okay, this one already wants to pop out, so I will keep this. Oops. Advice. Three of Pentacles. This is going to be a fantastic work month for you, Capricorn, from what I see. Before I clarify all these cards, though, I am going to start with a Ganesha oracle card. Lord Ganesha being the deity we pray to here in India for money, wealth, abundance, prosperity. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you as a message. For Capricorn spirit, my Lord Ganesha, please give them a beautiful message, my Capricorn gang. All right. Steadfastness. I think you're already on that place. Look at Lord Ganesha sitting on the back of an elephant and not moving. This is like being very secure. Let's see what it says. Before I tell you too much, let's see what message there is here for you. 32 is 56. Okay. Steadfastness. Do not waver back and forth or be moved by the circumstances that are surrounding you at this time. Be focused on your purpose and unwilling to be swayed by what other people think or by what other people perceive. Like I said, this will be you and yourself doing right by you. Ganesha heartens you by revealing that when you know your effort is not futile, you will be steadfast and immovable. This seems to be a major stumbling block in your life at this time. Perhaps your current jobs gives you little recognition with no real sense of accomplishment or success. You may feel unheard in your relationships. Possibly the error lies in the fact that in your heart, you really feel your struggle is hopeless. You may recognize it on an intellectual level, but you are easily shaken when you do not see the fruits of your exertion. Ganesha is pictured here riding the elephant to engage you in the energy of the elephant spirit. Elephants can teach you that kindness, dedication, and communication in relationships is very powerful. They remind you that it's necessary to keep relationships alive, trusting and loving, whether the relationship is with friends, family, or business partners. Deeply faithful to all creatures with which they have relationships, elephants are tough when protecting others and gentle when nurturing them. All right, so I'm not going to read all of it. Just read the last couple of lines. Do whatever it is to necessary to safeguard your resolve. You're receiving guidance that at this is the time to dig in. Remain focused and don't get caught up in trying to create a change. The energy in your job or relationship is ever changing. Ask Ganesha to bring you the strength to work through what is happening. Stay committed and on track. Do not give up, Capricorn. Lord Ganesha says, do not give up, as change will show up soon and the situation will be transformed automatically. All right. So you hold your own. You don't have to create or push for change. Yes, what you see, look at this person, steadfast, holding strong, not budging, not giving, just saying, I am going to do the best I can. Maybe this is the time to watch what others are doing. Maybe this is a time to learn new skills, gather information, not try and push on to change, but stay there, because change is coming. You have to be Capricorn in hermit mode, even in your job or career. You by yourself, you're getting the guidance you receive, you will be receiving, and it's going to work out, especially where money is concerned. Three of Pentacles. Let's see, let's take a clarifier for all of them. Page of Swords, Spirit, for one more. Page of Swords. Capricorn, there could be people watching you as well. There could be people watching you as well, but even though you may feel burdened, or you feel you're overworked or whatever at this time, do not give in to frustration. That's what I'm getting from here. Yes, you may feel stagnant, you may feel angry sometimes, you may even feel like lashing out to people, but instead of doing that, please be mindful that there are a lot of eyes on you, and they probably at work, they're watching you being maybe overburdened with work. But Spirit is saying, even though you may feel stuck at this point, there are things that are happening which will automatically bring in change. Your hard work is being noticed. Okay? This is not the time to explode on anyone, or quit your job, or just stay steadfast at whatever you're doing. So, Four of Pentacles, Spirit. Four of Pentacles for Capricorn. Oops. Four of Pentacles. Capricorn, same message again. I think this is not the time to push forward. Even though you may want to, Spirit is saying right now is not the time to fight for a change or fight for new beginnings or anything like that. Come back, stay back, Spirit is saying right now. Just stay where you are. Keep doing what you're doing while learning something new or preparing for the future. This is not the time in September is not the time for you to take fast forward movement. In fact, go into your hermit mode, do the best that you can, knowing that things are going to change automatically, especially where work is concerned, because the Three of Pentacles is here. Hermit, Spirit, why is the Hermit card here for Capricorn, for their work? Yes, Capricorn, Spirit is same. This keeps repeating itself. Spirit is saying, if you try and create any quick changes right now, or you get into arguments with, you get irritated, or you say something, it's going to not bring you your wish fulfillment. I'll be honest. This is the time to just lie low, maybe. Keep to yourself, do what you're doing, and know that changes will happen in time. There are people watching you, taking notice of your hard work, or will be in September. So make sure you don't do anything which is rash at this point. This Knight of Swords in reverse is a card of rashness, doing things without thinking. That's not going to bring you your wish fulfillment, Capricorn. So just be very mindful, be quiet, don't share too much information, but learn while you're in this steadfast and, holding on mode. So, because your money looks good, I don't see you like suffering where your money is concerned or whatever. So, as long as things are fine, keep them that way, okay? What's this Three of Pentacles, Spirit, as advice for Capricorn? Three of Pentacles as advice. Three of Pentacles as advice. Oh, wow. See, that's what Spirit is trying to say. You don't have to do anything. Sooner or later, because you are being watched for all your hard work that you'll be doing at work, victory. Six of Wands. People are going to be applauding you very soon. You may not feel like it in September. You may be working and saying, hey, I'm getting irritated and my efforts are not being rewarded. But guess what? It's going to happen. Just make sure that in a split second decision, you don't make any rash moves or change your job or business, or get into a frustrated fight with anyone because you feel you're not being noticed. You are. People are watching you, and very soon you're going to be at top. Victory. Victory with work. Beautiful message for you. So hang on there, Capricorn. Hang on there. All right? So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.